Alisa got more percent. What's that? Can you? It's the karma means. If you do something bad, sige na. Kukulit eh yan. Kukulit. Morning. 6:19 pa lang. Yung taxi ko na pinabook. 6:15. Kasi yun na lang yung available. Dumating 6:07. Ito na ako, nagbaon ako ng pandesal mga kachika. Ang sarap ng pandesal ni ate. Hindi ko na ito ininit. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng butter sa ilalim. Ang sarap pala talaga sa paglagyan ng butter. Malalaki. Isang piraso busog ka na. Okay na tayo mga kachika. Binigay niya yung dito yung regalo ni Alisa. Hindi pa kasi ako nakapili ng card. Lalagyan ko na lang ito ng cash pa. Off ko man bukas, so na lang yan sa Wednesday. Dala ko isang ganito mga kachika kasi bigay ko to sa classmate ni Alisa. na?
Early, aren't they?
Alisa got more present. What's that? Candy? Candy?
Oh, what?
Haribo. Where she found Haribo from? Where is that Lisa from? Lisa? Lisa got more present
Oh my god.
in her bag, I think.
Well, we should have the hats on. Come on, move it. You two.
The karma means if you do something bad, it will come back to you. Alisa gonna open her birthday present. Okay, take that off, B. Yeah. Which one you gonna open first? It's nice. The other one, no.
This one's not obsessed.
Hmm.
But how is obsessed with us?
Two. One from work.
Hey, I was looking.
Okay, let me see, B. Ito yung bigay ng ano ba? Yung sa manager namin. Bumili ako ng card, pero buti na lang bi-off ko tomorrow then. Bili na lang ako ng isang card kasi 9 pala yung nabili ko.
Fine. Whoa, not even touching it. I want to open this one.
Okay, okay.
It's a Barbie.
Barbie. Oh, more Barbie.
It's a hairbrush. It's a hairbrush.
That's nice.
I can
Okay.
decorate it.
Oh, decorate your hairbrush.
Oh, look it.
Wow, you got more.
I
That's
want to
nice.
open the card.
Okay, open the card. It's from CC.
Now, can you say what they say? Can you say? Oh, branch on it.
Oh, see, you got birthday princess. Not good. Please stop walking with your knee. It's not good. Stop. You have feet, not your knees. So Alisa, love from CC. Dream with all your heart. There's nothing you can do. Have the best day ever. The birthday girl is you. Have fun. That one. Alice.
I know what
You got more here. Another one. Birthday card. 6. You're 6. Alisa, it's great to be 6. So her's wishing you fun, hoping your
It's a new
birthday
backpack.
is
It's
special.
a
Happy
new
birthday
backpack,
from
Mama. I love that one.
Alexi, Zion,
Mama, and I got a
Alexi,
new bottle.
and Zion.
Mama, look. I love the bottle.
Oh, nice.
I love the bottle.
Wow. You show it to Daddy B. You show it to Daddy B.
We want to
Lisa.
bring that bottle to school tomorrow. Oh, Daddy, look at my bag. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna take it at school.
Yeah, you can use your backpack as well. Yeah?
And my own bag.
Lisa.
I'm just looking.
Oh, that one as well. No, don't rip up. P. If you open it, don't rip up. It's nice, Bino. A little obsessed. Saan kaya ito nila nabili yung ganito? Ang ganda ng ganito ba? Lina, get ready na, be. I help you.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it, okay. Be up. Be.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay.
Can you put that?
Okay, now.
My goodness, look at all the cards you got, Lisa.
Yeah, it's just
Very nice.
how.
Sige na, pag-get change na. Very, ano naman ni Alisa, lucky her birthday. A love present.
I really love that bottle. I really love it.
Did you?
Yeah, I like it.
I get you one for your birthday.
I love it. I really
Oh,
want to
this
bring
is
that
nice,
one
no?
back. If it's just
It's like
I
really,
want
it's like for, wow.
Mama, I want to
And a
bring that.
backpack, Lisa. You wanna use this backpack tomorrow, sir?
Yeah, if I
For
just start
school?
using that bottle, Mama, I can. And I want to try it on.
I have to adjust it first.
I want to try.
It's very pretty.
What if
Wow.
she got a diary and she can't fit it?
It's a balloon for inside though.
Repeat.
Oh yeah. Okay, you can put your stuff there.
Yeah, and
You
can
can
put
use
my
that one.
snacks here. And I want to try. Look.
Nice?
Yeah.
Oh, you put your book. Oh. Put your books there.
And look. And stuff.
Mm. This is nice.
Don't have my diary is it's not
No,
good.
don't push. Don't push. Oh, it's okay. It's here. Okay. It's nice.
I'm gonna try it. I'll go this on. Okay.
Look. So pretty, no?
So nice.
Saan kaya nila itong binibili yung mga ganyan-ganyan? Oh, you use this one, Lisa?
Yeah, I'm gonna use. Yeah, I'm gonna use
Oh,
it.
ganda oh.
No, I can
Ganda.
decorate. And I wanna open this. This.
Ayan.
Yeah. Open.
Ang ganda ng mga birthday gifts.
I
Ito naman sa
birthday
classmate niya
gift.
kanina. Ah, nice naman.
This is good.
Yeah. 5 minutes.
Nice.
Where are you gonna go? Oh, yeah, you said if it's Monday, it's not so bad Monday. So. Yeah. What's that one? Yeah, okay. Okay, put this one.
Put them in there.
You got the money, no? I give you the money.
Give me the money.
Yeah.
I got the money.
You got the money, I got the honey. Okay, good. See you later.
Lazy.
Bye-bye.
Mama.
Bye-bye. See you later.
It's very cold.
Yeah. Nagulat ako bakit parang ang liwanag naman masyado ng mukha ko. Kain ta mga kachika. Kailangan na itong kainin yung ginawa ni Mr. na salsa ba. Tapos yung ganitong bread. Ang hapdi ang dila ko. Dito da. Na, sa infante ko lang kung bakit. Last week pa to ba? Na ano siya pag kumakain ako ng na ano yung ano ng lasa ng pagkain ba? Mahapdi. Masarap. Ano tayo, sobrang hinog na pala. Dapat noong 27 pa pala ito mga kachika. Tingnan na natin. Tamis din. Maasim pala. Siguro maasim lang to kasi kakakain ko lang yung cake ba. Ginanon ko. Akala ko kung yung ano to, yung ano ba yung cake ba na dala ni ate? Yung purple. Ubi cake pala. Purple naman tawag ko. Kakakain ko lang, kumakain ako kasi nagugutom ako kasi di ba kumain ako. Tapos parang kulang pa din ba yung laman ng tiyan ko ba? Nag-lunch naman sana ako kanina doon sa work. Kaunti lang yung lunch. Ba? Kaunti lang kasi yung hiningi ko. Alam niya kasi na ano ba yung minsan binibigay, nagmagot-bot yan siya minsan kasi yung binibigay niya sa akin na pagkain ba, hindi ko nauubos. Sabi niya, tapos magdadayet ka pa. Pero okay naman kami mga kachika. Ano lang ba? As a workmate lang, ganun. Yung co-work kasi kailangan man namin maging ano din. Kasi pari magkatrabaho kami, di ba? Mahirapan din naman na may katrabaho ka na kaaway mo. Lalo na yung, alam mo yun, yung parang kailangan din para professional pa din ba? Pretend ka pa din na pag-friend kayo, kahit hindi naman. Bigay ka Alisa, si Alisa kumakain pala ng ano, si Mr. at saka si Alina, hindi pa dumating, kumakain si Alisa ng ito, chicken. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana.
Mama, I have a good birthday.
Yeah, did you have a good birthday?
Yeah. It's good again, my birthday again.
My birthday again, yeah, next year, okay?
Yeah.
You want your birthday like that again? With your friends?
Yeah.
Save some chicken for Alina, huh? Ano ko nga ito, kaya parang ubusin naman to. Alina, wala na. There's nothing left na for Alina. Okay, we save this for Alina, yeah? Thank you. Is it good chicken? Kasi na-hungry daw siya. Kumain naman sana yan siya kanina ng ano, ng... Kumain yan siya. Marami yung kinain niya na soup. Mas kanina pagdating niya, ito kasi yung bago niyang, yung naregalo ba sa kanya ba? Classmate niya. Tapos, pag uwi, sabi ko, bakit parang walang bawas yung, pero nilinis ko na ito mga kachika, malinis ito, hindi ko palang talaga natanggal yung dito, pero yung iba dito na tinanggal ko. Sabi ko, bakit parang walang bawas yung ano mo, yung water mo? Yun pala daw kay, hindi niya sinisip-sip niya, pero walang lumalabas kasi parang na-block siya dito sa gitna. So, inano-ano namin. Sabi ni tinapon mo yan, tapon mo na yan. Sabi ko naman, maganda pa naman to kasi yung Smiggle yung na brand. Tapos, inunat-unat ko lang. Inunat-unat ko kasi nasayang naman ako na ano ba, bago pa siya pa. Tapos itatapon lang. Tapos yung inunat-unat lang namin, kailangan na pala siya iunat-unat. Kasi siguro, kasi di ba ano pa siya, bago pa siya. So, parang ano talaga siya, ang ganon dito sa ilalim. So, kailangan iunat-unat pala. Okay, drink water ha. Finish?
Yeah. I have 6 ones for Lena.
Okay, save from Alina. Mister mag-ayos ng bed ng mga bata. O, ganyan yung talaga yan, oh. Ano na yun? Mag-lover. Kukulutin niya na naman yung buhok niya. Sisa, sige na, Lisa. Be, what's on the floor, on the carpet, be? Sa, sige na.
Okay.
Hinakbat ko lang yan sila, hindi ko na pinariguan. Sige na. Kukulitin niya yung buhok niya kaya gustong-gusto niya yung kinukulot niya. Bilhan ko ngayon siya ng pangkulot. Kasi hilag niya mag-ano-ano sa buhok niya mga kachika. Ayos-ayos.